Hello everybody, this is Tommy.
And Megan with Kaplan Nutrition.
We're here to discuss supplements for runners. Many runners, they'll, focus on taking electrolytes and, they don't think the importance of many other nutrients like protein, especially amino acids. But there are some supplements that you can use that you can pick up at any one of our locations that can improve your runs and just more or less help you utilize oxygen more efficiently. One of the main supplements I would say is cordyceps. Cordyceps is awesome from MRM. Cordyceps has long-chain polysaccharides, which have oxygen units within the structure that are released at the cellular level that help supply oxygen to all 85 trillion cells, but especially your muscles. So as you're running or cycling, swimming, any kind of activity that you're doing, especially when it's strenuous and it's over a long period of time, like a marathon.
Yeah, long runs, it's going to help. Even if you're doing shorter runs, it's going to help with oxygen intake and bringing it to the rest of your cells. So.
And cordyceps is really good for the immune system too. So it's immunomodulatory, meaning that if your immune system is overactive, it can bring it back down to baseline, and if it's underactive, it can bring it back up. And that goes for your adaptive and innate immune system. So this is great too if you have any kind of allergies, you're outside running, and you're just noticing your nose is kind of, bothering you. Taking cordyceps can boost your immune system to kind of avoid any kind of allergic responses. But really, truly, it really will serve you really well by supplying oxygen to all your cells, especially, your large muscle groups as you're running. Next, I would say, is the Perfect Food Energizer. I mean, this is amazing. This is a green supplement. Green supplements have chlorophyll. Now, chlorophyll has magnesium at its center. Now, just as blood has hemoglobin, or has iron, hemoglobin, which is blood, has iron at its center, chlorophyll, which is green, has magnesium, and they're both oxygen carriers. So when you take the Perfect Food Energizer before a run or after a run, you'll notice that it'll boost your energy levels. It's great to take, in the afternoon, but right before a run, it'll continually help supply your body with oxygen. And then the magnesium and all the other minerals, because anytime you think of plants, think of minerals. And that'll help prevent cramping, it'll help keep you going for the runs. Anytime too when you're using a green supplement, just notice that it's going to be energy. I mean, have you ever noticed that?
Yeah, well, it's good to take it. Let's say you get off work and you still want to go for a run, but you don't really want a ton of caffeine or any caffeine. It's good to just take it, on your drive home. That way you're going to feel energized and ready to go for your run. So that way, when you get home, you're not going to want to just sit down on the couch. You're going to have enough energy to actually go out and start training.
Yeah, that's a good point you brought up about caffeine, because caffeine draws out your energy in a short amount of time. It doesn't give you energy, so this is upbuilding. So this is going to help resupply your energy stores. It's going to make you feel good. Now this is the Perfect Food Energizer, and the Energizer has cordyceps in there, which we discussed, which is really good as those long-chain polysaccharides. So medicinal mushrooms are excellent for your workouts. But it also has maca, and maca is in the cruciferous vegetable family, so it's related to broccoli and cauliflower. So it's really good for boosting your immune system. Again, great for allergies, to kind of help stimulate the immune system to avoid any kind of allergic reaction because it's immunomodulatory. But it's also really good for replenishing your adrenal glands and restoring that energy that's lost. And caffeine is something that so many people go to, but really they should be going towards their nutrition and focusing on getting their vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, all the micronutrients that are lacking in your diet, because that's really what your body is craving, not caffeine to draw more energy. As the old timers would say, your withers are being wrung. It's the moisture between your shoulder blades, and taking caffeine just kind of wrings out all the substance and essence of your energy, and restoring it is using green supplements like Perfect Food Energizer. So these are great for just anybody, just going in for swimming, running, cycling, and we're having the 5K, our run coming up. So this is excellent to take before the run. You can pick this up at any of our locations. These are two very popular products. Now another supplement that I would recommend, that I think that runners tend to overlook, is protein. I think it's something that
a lot of runners are just all about the carbs. Go in for a long run, I have to carb load before my race. You'll just always hear about carbs. They never really focus on protein. So with this product, people, when you're running long mileage, you really break down your muscles, and this helps maintain your muscles and helps you recover faster. So you can go on long runs and go do a speed workout the next day.
And we've spoke about this in other videos, but Peptabolic has PeptaPro. Now PeptaPro is great for runners because it doesn't draw blood and energy in your digestive tract. It'll supply your body with all your essential, non-essential, and conditionally essential amino acids. An example of essential amino acids that our bodies can't create, but we need from a food source, are leucine, valine, isoleucine. They're known as your branched chain amino acids, which make up 1/3 of your skeletal muscle tissue. And not just your fast twitch muscles, but also your slow twitch muscles, which you're using during the marathon. So taking Peptabolic will help repair what you've broken down, as Megan said, and help you recover faster. Conditionally essential amino acids are glutamine. And I want to tie in glutamine because glutamine is good for your immune system and your digestive system. So anytime you're experiencing any kind of allergic reactions, again, glutamine is going to really kind of help just stimulate the immune system to kind of prevent any kind of allergic responses that you may be experiencing. And you're just going to recover faster and notice less soreness and feel better. And it's really easy to take. And PeptaPro is pre-digested protein. It's micellar casein protein that's broken down outside the body by a patented form of proteolytic enzyme. So it's really unique. And so when you do take it, you won't notice any kind of gastrointestinal issues.
Yeah.
And it's lactose free too.
Which is important for runners too. I know a lot of times they're concerned about taking certain stuff before they run. Well, with this you won't have that issue because it's so easy to digest.
So Peptabolic from Empyrean Nutrition, Cordyceps from MRM.
And Perfect Food Energizer from Garden of Life.
Thank you for watching.